Hey everyone, welcome back to our Tech Fix series. If you're a Roblox fan, you might have run into error code 227, especially in 2025. This pesky error often pops up when there's a connection issue, preventing you from joining games or logging in. Don't worry, I'm here to walk you through simple, step-by-step solutions that can get you back in the game quickly. Let's dive in. First things first, start with the basics. Check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is stable and you're not experiencing any outages. Sometimes, a simple restart of your router can do the trick. Open your router's settings or just unplug it for 30 seconds and plug it back in. This resolves temporary glitches that might be causing the error. Next, try restarting Roblox on your device. Close the Roblox app completely, then reopen it. If you're on a PC, restart your computer too. This clears any temporary files or bugs that could be triggering error code 227. It's an easy step, but it works wonders about 50% of the time. Now, let's update Roblox. Outdated versions can lead to compatibility issues. Head to the Roblox website or your app store and download the latest version. If you're on mobile, ensure your app is up to date as well. Once installed, launch it and see if the error persists. If that doesn't help, check your firewall settings. Sometimes, your antivirus or firewall blocks Roblox from connecting to the internet. Go to your security settings, add Roblox as an exception, and allow it through the firewall. On Windows, you can find this in the Windows Security app under Virus and Threat Protection. Another effective fix is to flush your DNS cache. Open the command prompt as an administrator and type ipconfig flushdns, then hit enter. This refreshes your network settings and can resolve deeper connection problems. As a last resort, reinstall Roblox. Uninstall the app from your device, then download and install it fresh. This removes any corrupted files that might be causing the issue. There you have it. Straightforward steps to fix Roblox error code 227. If these tips help, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more gaming fixes. Drop a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay gaming.